Hey, what's up, y'all? Dylan Hale with Hale Family Real Estate here with another coming soon listing right out in front of 916 Brittley Way. You see the best painters in the world, Rafael Perez and his crew back there getting this thing ready for market. It's gonna be coming up in 2 days, so come on in, I'll give you a sneak peek. Hey guys, walking in the front door here at 916 Brittley. Good grief, check out the freshly refinished hardwood floors, open floor plan to the kitchen, beautiful deck and yard out back, dining room here, and out to the garage. Let's take a look upstairs and check out the bedrooms. All right, coming up to the top of the steps here, check out this beautiful master suite. And let me tell you, on a 2,100 and something square foot house, something that you will not see very often, his closet, her closet. Let's check out the other rooms here. Kid room number 1, spacious. Kid room number 2, huge. And the bonus, in this case, set up as a 4th bedroom. All right, y'all, there it is, 916 Brittley Way. Going active in a couple days. Showings begin on Friday. Open house Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. I'm super excited. I know we're gonna sell this one quick. It's going at $350 in Haddon Hall. Don't be late. Dylan Hale with Hale Family Real Estate, I'm out.